Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of garden essentials with what I believe is one of the best pruning tarps available in the market. Now, if you're like me and love keeping your garden tidy without the hassle, this product might just be your new best friend. It's the landscape tarp for trimming by VkerQerd, designed to make your pruning and gardening tasks a breeze. Let's talk features. First off, it's made from a durable, waterproof polyester material. This means it can stand up to the elements while you're out there trimming your trees and shrubs. The tarp comes in a generous size of 79 inches by 79 inches, with corner buckles that allow you to stand it up easily around your plants. This feature alone makes cleanup a cinch. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply unfold it, place it around your plants, and secure the corners. The half-hole design is genius. It accommodates trees and shrubs of various sizes, while keeping the trimmed leaves neatly contained. One thing I particularly love about this tarp is its durability. It's strong enough to handle rough branches and won't tear easily. Plus, it's UV resistant, so you know it'll last through many gardening seasons. Cleaning up is also a breeze. Once you're done, just fold it up and store it away until next time. No more scattered leaves or messy cleanup sessions. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable tool to simplify your garden pruning and cleanup, I highly recommend the landscape tarp for trimming by VkerQerd. It's practical, durable, and designed with gardeners in mind. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy gardening!